This year in CP Plus 2026, Canon don't really have any new product, but it is one camera that makes people queuing up just to try it out for like a couple minutes. What it is this concept camera. CP Plus 2026 coverage is sponsored by iFootage and DxO, powerful photo editing tools used by photographers around the world. They have advanced raw processing and optical corrections. I have a 15% discount with this code, the Cheung. But finally, after queuing up, I can finally try it. So it feels like that. Of course, this is just a concept camera, so we don't know will Canon release this, and we don't know will it look the same. But it feels like that. It really feels like a Hasselblad camera. For now, it is a manual focus camera. So on the top, there is a screen. I mean, not an LCD screen. It's like back then, it's like DSLR. Basically, this is like a DSLR. You got that focusing screen, just like Hasselblad. When you tilt it, it tilts the other way, just like that. So this is shutter.
Yeah, shutter level.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Yeah, that feels different because I kind of expect like a old SLR that you feel the clicking of a shutter, but this actually just push a lever that close up, a lot closer up to flip the mirror up as well. So this one don't actually take photo. This is just to demonstrate. Oh, this is take photo as well. I feel totally different. When you press it down, you actually flip up the mirror, and then when you reach the bottom, there's a slight click that actually take the photo. Very interesting.
Thank you.
Selfie. Probably not in the focus, but just demonstration. So these are two concept A, concept B. Of course, we don't know will it be like that or will it be actually made. They look, they're kind of similar. This is kind of more, a little bit more classic. That one a little bit more simplicity. And this one got aperture ring like that. Always good. So yeah, that's that. I just tried it and it's interesting. I can say it is really interesting. There's so many people still queuing up for that. And today is Friday. I don't know what will happen tomorrow, Saturday. So this camera structurally, I mean, how it works, it's basically a SLR. Is it actually a DSLR? I mean, it is digital, it's single reflex system. Although it uses two mirrors, there are two mirrors inside it. And when you take photos, the image actually goes through two mirrors and through the focusing screen as well. So obviously, this is not for good image quality. This is for fun, and this is not a serious camera, but what's wrong with a camera that's for fun? And the sensor, I don't think the sensor is going to be big. I mean, at least on these two, of course, it's still underdeveloped. Yeah, but they have a 51.8 lens on it. I bet equivalent. So when I was focusing it, I was kind of like, hang on, the depth of field is really thin. It really feels like focusing a medium format camera. Oh, look at that! Somebody show off the medium format. But of course, as I mentioned, this is still underdeveloped. This is just a concept. So who knows? Will it be actually made? And when it's actually finally made, very probably not going to be the same as this. So this is that. What do you think? So once again, I have a 15% discount code for any DxO software. If you want sharper image, cleaner noise, and then art and other creative tool, check out DxO Photo Lab line and Lake Connection 8.